But I have to touch this to the metal, right?
Yeah, correct. Okay. You don't need to do that. You can just from the top to the bottom, one straight line.
Yeah, so what I'm trying to test is because this material is what I make this
Oh,
with.
you want to do the test? Oh, okay, I got it. That's
Yeah.
fine.
And you see, I don't weld it all the way. I just do
Okay,
little dots down
that's
the
fine.
line.
I understand.
So that's what I'm trying to.
Okay, you don't want to do the
I'm trying to
straight line.
replicate the
Okay.
part that I
Okay,
made.
okay, I understand. Or you can change the artwork just like this to be easier. Depend on you. Not spot welding, just like this. You want to try that?
I could try it.
Yeah. You can speed up more faster. This part may be
Yeah.
too much power.
I just want.
Yeah. A little bit faster. Yeah, that works. It's better than this one, I think. It's stronger and faster.
Yeah.
So we find a new way.
Let me try.
You want me to hold the
Yeah,
gun?
hold it.
Okay. Also without weld, just a laser. Just a laser.
Yeah.
Okay. Just hold on. Let me change the power. The thin one, I gotta change power to 40. It's not 50. 50 too much.
Which one did
This one 50.
that was 50?
Yes.
Okay, but just put it on 40 then.
Okay. Let me try 40. Okay, try that. Yeah, it's good. Speed is just right, and power is just right. It's very good. Let me hold. Maybe a little more.
No.
It's good.
Yeah, that's.
Wow, the color is very good. Yeah.
Could probably do it even less.
Yeah, less maybe 35. Or you can faster. You can.
Or yeah, if I go faster.
Yeah, we go faster. It's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Just like
When you're welding with wire, you got to in the position 45 angle, and you don't
no,
push.
no. I just want to try the straight line.
Yeah. Okay. Then just the angle 45. Okay. Not too low, not too much.
Yeah.
Okay. And you don't push, you don't pull, just touch.
The wire's gonna make it move.
Yes,
right?
yes. Just make sure control your direction.
Yeah.
Then pull the trigger. Then it will be good.
Okay.
Okay. You hold it down. Let me change the power and change the well. Okay, it's working. You can try. Come on.
Well, we gotta make the wire come out, right?
That's fine. That's fine. It will come out.
It'll come out.
Yes. You can feel the movement, right? Nice. Nice. Only this part too much power.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah.
because instead of letting it come off, I just stayed right there.
Yeah, that's okay. When you want to cut the weld on this part, you gotta make sure the red beam in here, because the stainless steel is very strong. Red beam in the right position, it will just cut very soon.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Did you go faster?
Maybe.
Yeah. So you control the speed by this one, and this one, and this one. This one controlled by the machine. This one controlled by you, right?
Maybe. Yeah.
Yeah. Because you can feel a little difference. That's
Yeah.
fine. It's okay. You can go faster, but you don't hold it.
Yeah.
If you hold the wire, it may get stuck at the wire feeder position. Wow. Careful. It's pretty easy for you.